Hello, hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Beautyline by Didi. So I got some product from Beautyline by Didi. Play with joy by Didi product to play with. So she gave me lashes. So you have the brush side and the pencil side. But this pencil you have to sharpen, so it's not the retractable one. So you get more value for this. And then it's still the same color. And I also got some brushes. She has her own, I think, just defined for the eyes. These are the two brushes here. I actually like the color. Let's see. So these are the two brushes. So this is a blending brush, and then this is the angle brush. This is what it looks like. So today I'm going to be talking about the lip glosses. Didi Lip is owned by Doi, and she's been amazing. She's been doing a very, very good work. She started with the eyebrow pencil, which is the Beautyline by Didi eyebrow retractable pencil, and I mean that was off the hook. She's got all that things in her collection. I know she has a beauty blender. She's got her lashes now. She's got her brushes too, and then she's done the eyebrow pencil, the retractable one, into a pencil form now. And then now she's launched, I think, I can't remember how many, she's launched her own collection of nude lipstick, which is a lot. So give me a minute, let me just check that. So the lip gloss is come in 17 shades. So this is what it looks like. I love the kissing, like, so beautiful. So that's the kissing, so beautiful. So I got 4 shades, so I'm going to try them. The funny thing is I can't actually see because it's so tiny. What I'll do is I'll match them and give them the shades that I got down in the description below, and you can also see it on their website, the different shades they have. So these are the shades that I got. They are so similar. But this Beautyline by Didi lip gloss collection, your spot for choice, I know she has like 17 shades in all, and then one is clear, so you have 16 different shades you can play with, and your spot for choice. So I have 4. I got 4. I'll try and match these 4 shades on the website. So the first one is the lightest of them all, which is this one. The shade Irish Coffee. This is what it looks like. It has hyaluronic acid, so what that does is it helps to make the lips moisturized. Like, it helps to lock in the moisture for a longer period. So if you have people that have very dry lips and it's wrinkled up, so you can actually use this on it before, like a prep to like a moisturizer or a prep, yeah, on the lip before you apply the lipstick itself, and then it gives that fullness, and it takes off, that gives that fullness and that plump that you need so that the makeup, the lipstick can actually stay. Sorry, Cappuccino. So this is what it looks like. So that's Cappuccino, my lips. Irish coffee, this is Cappuccino. So it's just a little bit darker than Cappuccino, is a little bit darker than Irish coffee. So you can see, yeah. So next we'll move on to the next one. I actually like, it looks like nude, like perfect nude for me. What do you think? So I'm going to move on to the next color, so I'm going to try on the Glaze. Glaze, like more natural subtle color. So I'm going to try in the last one. So I'm going to try on the last one, which is Lungo. This is it. So like the darkest of them all that I got, and it's called Lungo. So this is it. So this is my favorite color because this looks like a perfect nude. So what do you think? So I like the feel of this lip gloss. It's long lasting as well. When you eat, it doesn't transfer. It's not so pigmented. Like you can actually use it as a topper, like when you've applied the lipstick, use this on it, or you can even use it alone. But if you use it alone, after like 3-4 hours, you need to touch up because it starts fading out. It doesn't disappear totally, but it won't be as glossy as it is initially. And you can build a very smooth, even feel. Like it doesn't have any crack. Another good thing about it is that it doesn't give you that white line. It's not as thin as other lip glosses. It's actually very, it has this candy smell to it. Not strong at all, very faint. So if you like natural lip without necessarily putting up lipstick and all that, this is very good. You don't need to line as well. You know, it gives you that plump, full lips without necessarily making you just look at it. Fantastic new. That this is my perfect new. Like look at my skin, it just works well. So this logo is my favorite of all time. I love it. So have you bought anything from Beautyline by Didi? What's your must-have product with Beautyline by Didi? Do let me know in the comment section. These lipsticks, you can get them from our website, or you can send a mail to her. What do you think? I think it's like 1,000. I'm not sure of the price now. I'll leave the price in the comment section below, but it's actually a very nice lip gloss to own. It's small, it's portable, you can get it to your purse easily. It's not in a circle casing, which means that you put it on your desk or you put it on your table, it won't roll off. It will just stay there and you pick up and reapply. The applicator it comes with too is actually a sharp pointed applicator, which means that when you're applying, you can actually, help get the precision you want. So what do I think? I think it's a good buy. Like I said, if you haven't tried any of their products, they have pencils, they have liners, they have lashes, they have, so you can try any, and a little goes a long way. It's so pigmented. Like I said, because of the acid in it, it just helps with the long lasting power and leaves you. And even after you have cleaned, even after you clean it off, you still feel that fullness for days, like a day or two, and your lips actually looks plump and full. So what are your favorite glosses? Have you used any product from Beautyline by Didi before? What do you have in a collection? I'd love to know. Please kindly drop a comment in the comment section below. So the glosses are a big yes for me. If you haven't tried it, kindly go and try. It's worth every penny. It's actually very that's why I love my lips. It's actually very pigmented. It stays on. It doesn't disappear, and it's not so pigmented, but you can actually say it. It's a good one. See you in my next video, guys. Thanks so much for watching.